kids, good morning. How are you all doing? Hope so you're doing great. Yes? Okay, before we start, I will introduce myself. My name is Lakshmi. So today we're going to play some fun game. Are you ready to play some fun game? Yes? Okay. So I'll give you some small instructions, okay? If I'm visible from head to toe and if I'm audible, show me thumbs up. Yes? Okay, very good. Okay, before we start with the main activity, let's do some small warm-up. Are you ready to do warm-up? Yes. If yes, show me a thumbs up. Tell loudly, yes. Okay, very good. Okay, so today we are going to do a warm-up, which is a kind of a different warm-up. It's a kind of a fun game. Okay, it's called as an animal activity, which means we will be doing each warm-up in kind of an animal thing. Okay, so are you ready? Yes. Okay, good. So before we start with the warm-up, we'll do some stretching, small stretching. Ready? Now come on, go back to the activity area. Ready? Now interlock your fingers. So interlock your fingers. Slowly hands up. Hands up. Slowly. Now slowly lift your heel up and stand on your toes. Very good. Now slowly bend down. Bend down. Just half. Not full. Half. Move towards your right. Slowly. And towards your left. Very good. Now slowly bend down and touch the ground without bending your knees. Very good. Now lift your right leg up. You will take your right leg like in an L position and try to balance your body for 5 counts. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good. Now swap your leg. The other leg. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. Nice balancing. Very good. Very good. Now just fold your legs behind this way and try to balance on one single leg. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Very good. Now swap your leg. Ready? Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Very good. Very good. Clap for yourself. Very good. Now, take your right hand up. Touch your opposite shoulder. Okay. Now bend towards your left. Slowly bend towards your left. Slowly. Very good. Now swap your hand. Now left hand up. Touch your opposite shoulder. Now slowly bend towards your right. Slowly bend towards your right. Good. Very good. Now stretch your legs apart. See, legs apart. Now slowly bend towards your right. You should not bend your left leg. Only bend your right leg. See this way. Very good. Now change your direction. Now bend towards your left. Good. Very good. Now one more time. Towards your right. Good. Now towards your left. Very good. Very good. Nice energy. Very good. Now just kick your leg sideways. Good. Very good. Now we are done with stretching. We'll do some warm up. Okay. As I told, we'll be doing a kind of an animal activity. Yes? Yes? Okay. Now the first animal will be tortoise. How tortoise will run? It will walk very slowly, right? So you will just walk on the spot very slowly. See this way. First you will walk very slowly like a tortoise. Very slow. Very slow. Very good. And once I tell you cheetah, you will run fast on the spot. Very fast. 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 Now tortoise. Very slow. Very slow like a tortoise. Now again cheetah. Fast. 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 Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Freeze. Okay. Very good. Now legs apart and relax. Open your mouth and breathe. Very good. Now last one time. Tortoise. Tortoise. Very slowly like a tortoise. Very slow. Now cheetah. Faster. 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 Okay. Very good. Freeze. Now legs apart again and relax. Open your mouth and breathe. Good. Very good. Now, the second animal. We are done with tortoise and cheetah. Now we are going to do jumping monkeys. You know how monkey jumps, right? It jumps from one tree to other. Yes? Now we'll do jumping monkeys on the spot. Okay? For that, you'll keep your hands on your waist and you'll jump a little higher, not more. Okay? So you'll jump and land on both the legs. Okay? Got it? Now we're going to do jumping monkeys. Ready? Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good, very good, very good. Now monkeys will jump all over the play area. Like you will jump everywhere in the play area. Keep jumping all over the play area. Like a monkey. Keep jumping, keep jumping, keep jumping. Very good, very good. Keep jumping all over the play area. Good, very good, very good, very good. Okay, freeze. Okay, now legs apart again and relax. Open your mouth and breathe. Good. Now, same monkey jump around the play area for 2 rounds. Continuously very fast. Okay, ready? Start. Jump, 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 jump. Jump, jump. Like a monkey, keep going everywhere. 2 rounds. Very good. Good, good, good. Freeze. Very good, very good. Clap for yourself. Now legs apart and relax. Relax. Very good. Now we're done with jumping monkeys. Now the next one we're going to do is elephant walk. Okay? For that, you will keep your legs apart, hands up like a fish. Okay? When it will go, hands up, you will bend down and up. One step forward. Bend down and up. Bend down and up. Okay? Got it? Ready? Now you will just walk around the play area like an elephant. Ready? We'll see which elephant will walk properly. Ready? I will do along with you. Ready? Ready? Start. Walk like an elephant. Bend down and up. Just imagine your hand is your trunk. Elephant trunk. Very good. Around the play area. Keep going. Good, good, good. Good, very good. Very good. Now last one round. Last one round. Around the area. Good. Very good. Very good. Good. Okay, freeze. Now legs apart and relax. Now, the next one will be frog jump. Okay? Now just watch me what I'm doing and then you will do it. Okay? Eyes on me first. Okay? For this, you'll sit down like a frog. And you'll keep your hands forward this way. Okay? Front. And ready to jump, you will jump forward like a frog. Jump forward like a frog this way. Jump forward like a frog. Got it? Yes? Very good. Okay, now you will jump all over the play area again. 2 rounds completely. Ready? We'll see which frog will go faster. Ready? Start. Jump. Jump like a frog around the play area. Come on, come on. Keep going. Good. Very good. Last round. One more round. Go faster. 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 Okay, very good, very good, very good. Freeze. Now legs apart and relax. Again. Open your mouth and breathe. Good. Now last one is bunny hops. We are going to do bunny hops, okay? Just 5 times. For that, you will keep your right leg down, left leg up. You will hop like a bunny on the spot. 5 times. Ready? Come on. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. Now just change your leg. Change your leg. Left leg down, right leg up. Ready? 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, very good, very good, very good. Clap for yourself. You did a great job. Good. Okay, now we're done with warm up. So now you will get a water break. You can go sip water and come back. Okay? You will just drink a little water, not more. Sip water, come back and show me a thumbs up. Show me thumbs up. Yes? Okay, very good, very good. Okay, now we are done with warm up and stretching. Now we'll move to the main activity, okay? So the main activity what you're going to do is over and throw, which means a kind of a bowling. You should throw over and I'll teach you the correct technique of over and throwing, and we are playing some fun game called target the bucket and the bottle. So for that we need props, right? So I need at least 5 to 6 paper balls. You can just take a newspaper, crush it like a paper ball and bring it. And a bucket or any bowl or something and an empty water bottle. Okay? Got it? Now I'll give you 1 minute of time. It's a task for you. Okay? 5 paper balls, 1 bucket, 1 empty water bottle. Ready? Now I'll give you 1 minute of time. Ready? Set, go. Come on, go back. Go fast. Get it and come back. Come on, come on, come on. Do it fast. You can take the newspaper and brush it like a ball. You can make it like a paper ball. 4 to 5 is enough. Get a bucket and an empty water bottle. Come on, last 40 seconds. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, we'll see who will come first. Come on. Last 30 seconds. Come on, come on. Last 20. Last 20 seconds. Very good, very good. Did you get the water bottle? Water bottle should be empty. Yes, last 10 seconds. Okay, very good. Clap for yourself. Nice energy, superb. You did it very fast. Very good. Okay, now come near the camera and watch me. Okay. Now as I told you, today you will be learning over and throw. So for that I'll teach you the correct technique of throwing. So for that you will take 5 to 6 paper balls. Okay. Just place it near the starting line. Wherever you are standing, place it near the starting line. Okay? You will take 1 step forward, which means 1 step forward and place the bucket. 1 step forward. Got it? The paper ball which you have placed here, it's your starting line. The bucket, 1 step forward, it's your target line. Okay? So when I tell you go, take a paper ball. Okay? You will do underarm overhand throw and try to target the bucket, and you will try to drop the ball inside the bucket. See, this way. Take another ball, again drop it. You will use when you're throwing, just rotate your hands and throw. See, overhand, just rotate your hands and throw. Again, take one more ball, rotate your hands and throw. Target the bucket. Just concentrate on the ball and the bucket. Got it? Yes. Now come on, go back to the activity area. Now place the ball near the starting line. 1 step forward. Place the bucket. Ready? We'll see who will target more balls. Ready? Go. Come on. Keep throwing. Take the second ball. Throw. Very good. Take the third ball. Throw. Good, good, good. Take the next ball. Very good, very good. Come on, come on. Concentrate. Very good. Throw. Good, very good, very good. Throw. Good, very good. So, how many people did you throw? 4, 5? Just show me to the fingers. 5? Very good. 4? Very good, very good, very good, Arshil. Very good. Good job, very good. Now, take all the paper balls again and you place it near the starting line. Okay? Now, again, from the starting line, take 2 steps forward. This is 1 and this is 2. And place the other bucket near the 2 steps. Okay? Okay? Got it? Now just arrange. I give you 10 seconds time. Just 2 steps forward. 1 and 2 and place the bucket. Come on. Yes, very good. Enough. Ready? Now same way. Over and through. Rotate your hand and target the bucket and drop the ball inside the bucket. Ready? Ready? Now take the ball. Ready? Get set. Go. Throw. Oh. Throw. Target. Target. Throw. Very good. Take another one. Throw. Very good. Very good. Throw. Target. Take the other one. Throw. Very good. Very good. Come on. Come on. Come on. Superb. Superb try. Throw. Last ball. Very good. Very good. Now run. Take all the ball. Place the bucket there itself. Again run back. Place it near the starting line. Now one more time we will do. Ready? One last time. Ready? Ready with me? Ready? Get set. Go. Throw. Target. Target. Again one more time. Throw. Target the bucket. Come on. Come on. Concentrate. Throw. Very good. Throw. Good. 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 Good job. Throw. Very good. Last ball. Throw. Good. Very good. How many balls did you throw? How many balls are there inside the bucket? Just see. job. Very good. Okay, now last one time. We'll do this. Again, last one time. We'll see who will throw more inside the bucket. Ready? Now place it near the starting line. Get set. Throw. Target the bucket. Overhand only. Very good, very good, very good. Come on. Come on. Very good. Last ball. Good. Very good, very good, very good, very good. Now, take all the balls. Again, place it near the starting line. Now, take the bucket. Now, you take 3 steps forward. Now, 1 step is done. Second, 2 steps are done. Now, 3 steps. Little more challenging. Ready? So, 1, 2, 3. Place the bucket there. After 3 steps, you place the bucket. Come on, do it for me. If done, show me a thumbs up. 3 steps. 1, 2, 3. Long steps you will take. See, long step. 1, 2, 3. Okay? Okay, very good. Very good. Okay, now ready? Now you will target the bucket. Now a little more challenging. It's very far. Try to concentrate. Concentrate. Okay? Now take the ball. Ready? Set. Go. Do a overhand. Throw. Throw inside the bucket. Target and throw. Target and throw. Very good. Target and throw. Target. Come on, take the ball. Throw. Very good. Very good. Very good. Good job. Good job. Nice analogy. Very good. So how many balls did you throw? Just show me to the fingers. 5, 4. Good. Superb. Nice eye coordination. Very good. Now we'll do it for one more time. Come on, take all the balls. We'll do it for one more time. Ready? Ready? Go. Throw. Take the second one. Concentrate and throw. Third one. Concentrate and throw. Next one. Concentrate and target. Very good. Come on. Throw. Good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Superb. Give me a magical high five. Give me punch. Punch, punch, punch. Good. Very good. Superb. Superb. Okay. Now, you can take out all the props. Take only the paper balls and place it near the starting line. Keep the bucket aside. Now, let it be little more challenging. Okay? Now, eyes on me. Eyes on me. Now, you will take the empty bottle. Okay? You will take now 3 steps forward. Okay? This way. 1, 2, 3. It should be long. See? 1, 2, 3. 3 steps forward. Okay? Like this. 1, 2, 3. Place the empty bottle near the third. 3 steps for after 3 steps. Okay? Now, you will target the bottle. Okay? You will take the ball, do overhand throw and target the bottle. You are supposed to hit the bottle. And the bottle should fall. It should flip. The bottle should flip. So, I'll show you in the sideways. Okay? Take 1, 2, 3. Place the ball. Sorry, water bottle. Okay? Now, eyes on me first. Take the ball. Okay? Now, for that, you keep your left leg forward, right leg backward. Okay? And take your hands up. Rotate. Overhand. And try to target. Try to target and hit the bottle. Again, take one more ball. Take the ball. Hit the bottle. Again, take the ball. Overhand. Hit the bottle. Try to hit the bottle. The bottle should flip. Okay? Got it? Yes? I'll show it to you one more time. I'll show it to you one more time. Okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3, hit. 1, 2, 3, hit. 1, 2, 3, hit. Yay! Once it flipped down, bottle flipped down, go run, place it back. Again, come back to the starting point. Again, target the ball. You will do overhand throw itself. Okay? Got it? Yes? Now come on, arrange the circuit. Come on, come on. I'll give you 30 seconds time. Arrange the circuit. If you're done, come and show me thumbs up. Yes? Okay, very good. Very good. Now you will target the bucket, okay? Sorry, you will target the water bottle. Ready? We'll see. You should add one more important thing. When you hit the water bottle, how many times the water bottle flips? You're supposed to count. Okay? You should concentrate, and you're strong enough, right? To try to hit forcefully, so that even the water bottle flips. Okay? Ready? Take the ball. Left leg forward, right leg backward. one ball. Take the second ball and target. Take the third ball, target. Fourth ball, very good. Come on, target. Come on, keep doing. Very good. Come on, keep doing. Very good. If you didn't flip, you can take all the paper balls. Take all the paper balls. Again, start from the beginning. Ready? Now I'll give you 30 seconds time. We'll see in 30 seconds time how many times the bottle will flip. Ready? Start. Come on, target. Come on, target. Come on, done with all the balls. Take the ball. Take the ball and come back. Ready? Again, target. Yay! Come on. Can flip it back. Run back. Come on. Last 20 seconds. Last 20 seconds. Yay! Come on. Last 10 seconds. Come on. Try to hit the ball. Try to hit the water bottle. Very good. Last 7 seconds. Very good. Ready? Come on. Last one time. Yes, very good. Superb. Very good. You did a great job. Good energy. Superb. Take your both hands up. Tap your shoulder. Tell you did a great job. Good. Very good. Now we'll do the same activity for 20 seconds. I'll give you 20 seconds of time. You just have 5 balls, right? So, you'll try to hit the water bottle using the 5 balls, but if the water bottle doesn't flip, you will go grab the ball again and try to start hit. Before 20 seconds, you will try to count how many times the bottle flipped. Okay? Got it? Yes? Now again, take all the paper balls. Ready? Your time starts now. Come on. Yay! Come on. With Josh, come on, hit harder. Yes, mine 2 times. I targeted the bottle 2 times. Yay! Come on. Last 15 seconds. You try to count. Come on. Very good. Last 10 seconds. Yay! Last 10 seconds. Very good. Good. Last 5 seconds. Yay! Last 5 seconds. Come on. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Freeze. Very good. Super energy. Clap for yourself. Very good. Now, just show me it in your fingers. How many times the bottle flipped down? Yes, come on. You can show me it in the fingers. Oh, you did 8 times. Very good. You did 7 times. Good. Super. Nice eye coordination and hand coordination. Very good. Super. Good job. This is called over and throw because this activity helps you in bowling. You know in cricket there's bowling, right? Yes? So this activity helps in bowling. Okay? Not only for bowling, you have throw ball which should be used only overhand. So it will be useful for all such games. Okay? Did you all have fun? Yes? Tell loudly yes? Okay, very good. Okay, now we are done with the activity. Now we'll do some cool down. Okay? Now before that, we'll just clear the props. Okay? Now take out all the props. And you can place it aside. Come on. Okay, very good. Okay, now we'll do some cool down exercise. Okay? Ready? Now just shake your fingers. Good. Very good. Shake. Now, hands forward and pump. Out, in, out. Keep pumping. Very good. Keep pumping. Now, up and down. Hands up and down. Very good. Now, hands up, down, freely. So just free your hands. Up, down. Very good. Up, down. Good. Now just kick your leg sideways. Very good. Now hands forward. Just bend your fingers a little this way. Just press. Stretch. touch your opposite shoulder again and bend slowly, relax. Now the left hand, touch your opposite shoulder and bend slowly. Very good, super, very good, very good. Now just stand on your toes. See, stand on your toes, lift your heel up, okay? Interlock your fingers, hands up slowly, slowly hands up, and now look up for 5 counts. Balance your body, okay? Try to balance for 5 counts. 5, 4, 3, very good, 2 and 1, very good, super, very good. Now we are done with cool down, okay? So did you all have fun? Yes. If yes, show me a thumbs up. Tell loudly yes. Yes. Very good. Give me a punch. Give me a magical high five. Yes, very good. So before I end the class, I will give you one, I'll teach you one concentration game. Okay? So you will keep 2 fingers in one hand, 1 finger in other hand. Okay? So when I tell you swap, you will swap 2 to 1, 1 to 2. See, look at my fingers. Come on, try along with me. See, swap. Come on, try along with me. It's a concentration game. You should just don't concentrate on me. Just concentrate on your fingers. Okay? When I tell you swap, 2 becomes 1 finger, 1 becomes 2 fingers. Swap. Very good. Swap. Good. Swap. Okay, superb. Very good. Keep practicing at home. It helps in increasing your concentration skill. Okay? Even teach your friends, your family, so that even they will have a lot of fun in this. You can do even from 3 to 2 fingers. See, when you swap, 3 fingers will become 2 and 2 fingers will become 3. See? This is a kind of a concentration game. Okay? If you practice a lot, you will concentrate more. Okay? Hope so you enjoyed the session. Yes? Okay. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Stay home. Stay safe.